Hey, we're at the community Easter egg hunt, and there's the bunny. And baby didn't want to get his picture taken with Bunny.
He's scared of Easter Bunny.
I know. Wah! And Ella got 2 prize eggs. What'd you get for your prizes?
A bubble thing and
glitter
chalk.
That's so awesome.
And they were
oh, look, there's your friends getting their pictures taken.
Come for the glitter chalk. So then I saw the glitter chalk and I just grabbed it because I didn't go that one.
Was it so fun? Was there a lot of competition in your age division?
Kind of.
Yeah.
And they were even like in the ditch and stuff.
Oh, that's hard. Well, you know, you are 7, so they got to make it tougher. Should we go home? Let's go home and get some work done.
Mom, do you think there's any left in here?
Probably, no, there's not. Fun.
And look, I'm telling the cat.
No, you guys, I heard that the cat rolled in it, right?
Yeah, at first. He started it with the head.
And so now you guys are just, you're petting him with the chalk. I don't think that's a really good idea.
Spell Happy Easter, but...
Very nice. Looks like it got beaten up.
And then...
Oh. Are you having fun? Baby's finally perking up. He was kind of sad this morning.
Yeah, we drove by and saw him like slumping on their shoulder.
That wasn't me. It's ancient Greece. It's blowing away. That's Rennie's background from her... what was his name? Her project. You remember when she dressed up in her toga? I can't even think now. Yeah, I have to go get Carter from Scouts. I'll make my kids get that out of the field. That's awful. I don't know why it was even left outside in the first place. I have to go get Carter from Scouts and then bring him home, and then not too long after that he's got a birthday party to go to, I guess at 4. It's 11:24 right now. But I just wanted to show you this lovely weather we're having. Dust storm. And so I'm making cookies, and my mom always used to make these really amazing cookies, and I haven't been doing it over the years because I don't have the patience for it, because it takes a lot of patience to make cookies and decorate them with the kids, and I just don't have it, and I need to develop some patience because they're not going to have any fun traditions like I had when I was a kid, and that's not fair. So look at that dust. This is the potato fields. They just blow and blow and blow and blow and blow, and it's all this sand. But I can come on down here and get a sand dune, and that's how I can plant my potatoes. There's little tumbleweeds rolling. Just crazy, you can't even see. And then I've got a dirty windshield to top it off. Okay, that's enough filming and driving very bad. Gosh, that was awesome. Do it again. This is how hard the wind's blowing. Look, it's blowing that. It blew our barbecue over a different direction. Carter. Ancient Greece is gone. It's just gone. I feel bad. I should have got it when I saw it in the first place, but we'll have to go find it later. What else? I don't know. It's rocking the car. Literally, the car is rocking. I'll hold really still. Don't open the door! You can hear it. Anyway, spring wind in Idaho.
Yeah.
Look how gray it is out there.
Ooh.
It's gray. Oh, and you can see the dust out on the desert. You can see my yard is a mess. Blah. Everything's blah.